Alright, let's try this again. I just took more cough syrup. I was coughing like crazy there. Anyway, good morning, everybody. There's Rocky. He's quite the Rocky. Hello, Rocky. I've had the heater on all night. And, yeah, it's been a very interesting time. Here, let me just clean that lens a bit here. Just rub the paper towels on there. Hello. Anyway, it is, what is it? It's nearly 5:30 a.m. here at Camp Crazy. And as you can see, there's Rocky. He's all bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. See, I'll show you back there. There's his tail. It's very bushy. And he's got very bright eyes, too. Well, there we go. He doesn't like that light. See, there's his bushy tail and his bright eyes. But I'll shine this away from him now because it bothers him. There we go. He doesn't like it. I turned the light off, Rocky. I know you don't like that in your face. Anyway, that's it. Holy smokes. I'm not sure how I feel today. If I'm going to be better or worse. I'm worse right now, but I may be better later. So, there is that. We'll see what happens. But yeah. Anyway, this is where we're at. This is what's going on. So this is good morning. So good morning, everybody. And Rocky and I will see you all later on. We will. We'll see them all later, won't we, Rocky? Okay, we will. Okay, bye for now.